Welcome to Mainstream at 6. This is Sarnong Clancy. Now let's begin with the local news. 8 years ago, Sampri Pathar Parisilona Committee was formed by 21 persons. Today, it has fully completed 8 years since the day it was formed. Without receiving any help from the government the past 8 years, but because they stay united, the committee has received success and benefit since the formation of the committee, and yesterday the committee has distributed syntax in order to save themselves from shortage of water. During the gathering, CAT News Deputy CEO Biren Singh Inghi was also present and was honored as a chief guest along with reporter Sanjoy Killing, and gave quality advice to the committee for further success in the future. Moreover, the committee also delivered a word of thanks to CAT News.
Hajat ahin kapacun di pusitame, hajat aksai pacun di pusitame, inudwet ke klaim kedam pebangke siksa khoi. Uni, lasi nonason komiti long komiti penasi dura pet hagra pet lapen ke ningisi, intinisi ke klaim kedam amu kacepat kapacit ton ben se klaim lupate kicun cia sai awe jata sihala timu long tadodo mati ho. Alabang Sarburai nudle asumar bang pho bang kacetan cepari alam ben cetan cepari bom une ongsi aphir ke kai bong se pang lok toy korte bang pho bang kai bong pe wan lo kecing si kai bong pang lok lo ing lok pet hini pang lok lo ing lok pet
Charchim Sampri PPS Pugiseng Pining Pening kan narkep lo lasong bong busame sorkar pen busame na hajat ason pada skim ahin penang pipe pustamen itum la bangkoi koresi piningan do lasong bong stame itum mangela methang kacu klem kacu dampen methang subiti pensi piniani pustame klem wang bong lason se pining abangke itum lang kapang pen laso angkru kaciron la methang kacu klem pen lahilo ini isi mate ining karong sorkar pan kaciki polote Longima longle mahala sod iningi thebang langne etum imethang along ledo imethang aphelang do so claim dan se imethang answer se itum kang thurponi wrong imethang hem iripen chenglok ke prang ke wang langta la itum pen nang pe theklok ke japon thunang ki japon nang po nang pe theklon pa se answer se itum japon lin lang lang
Now let's come to the national news. On Monday, the Supreme Court announced that no individual can be forced to get a COVID-19 vaccine. Further, the apex court added that the current vaccine policy can't be said to be unreasonable. Moreover, the Supreme Court has also directed the Indian government to make public the data adverse effects of COVID-19 vaccination. Newsdesk report, CAT News. According to the Center of Monitoring Indian Economy, the employment rate in India rose to 7.83% in April from 7.60% in March, where Haryana topped the list with 34.5%, whereas Himachal Pradesh is the least with 0.2%, while Assam's unemployment rate is 1.2%. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Cardom.